Hello friends, can you smell autumn in the air? Of course, if you live in the northern hemisphere, that is. It's turning autumn here and I'm out in Northern California and it's just such a beautiful day to be out here, and I'm so excited to share with you some seasonal practices of Qigong for autumn. Now these practices are a taste of what we have in the YOQI Video on Demand library. There you can find a full, complete series of routines for autumn. Today we're going to focus on a complete little routine that I designed to get you started and working with autumn energy. So every season has its own special kind of energy. Autumn is the time of letting go and going with the flow. The leaves are turning, they're falling, and nature is starting its descent down. So it really supports our ability to let go. It's also a great time to boost the immune system and strengthen our lung qi. So the exercises I'm going to show you today are going to do just that. We're going to clear out, let go of any stagnation in the body, anything we don't need that we're holding on to. We're going to strengthen our lungs and then fortify our YOQI field, our immune system and our protective energy shield. So find your spot and join me. Let's move some qi. Let's begin with a purging exercise. It's called lung cupping, and it goes like this. Bring your hands in a fist, and you can even tuck your thumbs inside your hands, and we're going to use the knuckle part of the thumb to tap over the lung 1 points. These are right underneath your clavicle and out a little towards the shoulder nest, this shoulder pocket here. And it goes like this. We bend the knees as the hands go back, and then straighten and knock. Exhale as the hands go back, and inhale as the hands knock. Exhale out the mouth, inhale through the nose. This exercise is a very invigorating exercise. It activates the lung qi and it strengthens the YOQI, the protective shield around your body. It's also a purging exercise, so we inhale through the nose and exhale out the mouth, releasing any stagnation in the lungs, activating that lung qi. Feel the pumping in your legs. This grounds the energy into the earth. So you can imagine releasing any toxic energy out through your feet and into the earth. When the arms swing back, completely relax and sink down. When the arms come up, inhale and take energy into the lungs. And slow it down. Become still. Feel the heart beat. Notice how your body feels. Now let's shake it out. This one's called Shake the Tree. Very appropriate name for autumn. Did you ever notice how the wind blows in autumn and it blows the leaves off? So it really assists the tree in letting go. So shake off your leaves. Let them go. Anything you don't need. Negative thoughts. Any emotions. Anything that happened in the past. Desires, attachments. Tension. Tension in the neck and shoulders. elbows, the hips. Really sink down into the earth. You can shake very lightly, very softly. You can shake fast or bounce. Just play with it. Find whatever works for you to let go and enjoy. You'll notice that animals shake after they've been stressed out. This is a really natural way to let go of any stress. Just shake it off. Olympic athletes shake before they begin a race. It's a very natural way to transform stress into vitality. Slow it down and become still. Just feel the rebound. I call this the rebound effect. Qigong helps stimulate the parasympathetic nervous system, the relaxation response in the body. Good. Now we'll move into one of my favorite flows for autumn. It's called lung polishing. So find a wuji posture, create space under your armpits, sink the tailbone down. Now we do this by lifting the pubic bone up slightly and lengthening the lower back and relaxing the lower back, relaxing the qua. So the point of sinking the tailbone down is to really create space in the lower back. And then tuck the chin in and feel that lengthening go up the spine. Space opening in the cervical spine at the back of the neck. And then energy moving freely through the crown. Feel your crown connected to the sky, to the universal energy, and feel your feet connected to the earth. Establish your Taiji pole in the body. Become a conduit of energy. Now on an inhale, slowly rise the hands up, gather heavenly chi in your palms, and take that energy like a column of light slowly down the front of the body. Palms face the earth. And then open the hands out to the sides. And stand tall. Feel the extension out through your arms, stretching the lung and large intestine meridian. And then bend the knees, sink back to the earth. Draw earth chi up and palms face up in front of the lungs. We exhale down, bend the knees. Inhale, open. Exhale, sweep down, gather earth chi and draw the energy into the lungs. Deep breath in. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. This exercise creates an arc and traces the pathway of the YOQI field, the magnetic field around the body that is our protective shield. The YOQI field protects us from all kinds of energies that can come into our aura. So imagine your hands tracing this sphere of light, this pathway of light. Inhale, open the lungs and exhale. Inhale, filling the lungs with light. Do one more with me. Now hold your hands right here in front of the lungs for a moment. Take some nice deep breaths. Smile at your lungs. Smiling energy is a nice way to connect to our organs. Give them a little love and attention. Our organs are highly intelligent. They often know more than we do in our mind. The lungs are a reflection of our emotional energy, of how we feel. When our lungs are happy, they feel inspired and courageous. So smile at your lungs. And we'll go into a flowing movement. Drop the hands down a little bit. Inhale. And exhale. Press the hands forward. Inhale, rotate the wrists. Spiral the wrists, and exhale, sink down. Inhale. And exhale. Exhale, sink. Inhale, draw energy into your lungs. This is Great Bear swimming. Move slowly and gracefully, embracing the autumn energy of going with the flow. Use the power from your lower dantian, from your waist, to drive the movement so that your arms can just relax and spiral, moving energy. When we're inspired, the energy flows from the universe through the crown of the head into the lungs. And we take a nice deep breath. So inhale, take in life, and exhale, let go. See if you can relax just a little bit more. And then bring the hands back to face in front of the abdomen. Relax the fingers. And hold the posture of the bear. This is a nice holding posture to allow qi to circulate through the lung meridian. And we'll finish with 3 cleansing, drawing down the heavens. So touch the tongue to the roof of the mouth. Inhale through the nose as the hands rise up. And then as you exhale, release the tongue and blow out the mouth. Tongue touching the roof, inhale through the nose. Gather qi, and exhale, blow it out the mouth, washing through the body. Just imagine cleansing anything you don't need, letting it wash through you into the earth. Good. Now bring your palms over your lower dantian. The lower dantian is a point about 2 inches below your navel, below the belly button, deep in the body in front of the spine. And when we place our hands over this point, the pericardium 8-point laogong here is over the laogong of the other hand and is on top of that point. And we can connect our heart to our lower dantian and our mind to this area. This is an area where we store the qi. Dantian means elixir field. So at the end of a practice, this is a nice way to center our energy. So relax your chest and sink your breath down. Take some nice deep belly breaths. And root your mind firmly in the lower dantian. Focus and concentrate. You may feel some heat or warmth starting to generate in your lower abdomen. This is a very good sign, because where the mind goes, the qi flows. And then just rub the belly in a circle. Make a nice big circle. This disperses the qi. We want to disperse that qi and let all that good qi move through the body and go where it needs to go for healing. Any organs that may be deficient can use this energy, top up our organs, and then reverse the circle. So after we disperse, we want to condense and bring that qi right back into the lower dantian. So make the circle smaller and smaller, spiraling the energy until it's right over the navel in one tiny condensed point. Good. Step your feet together. Feeling nice and relaxed, balanced, boosted and strong for autumn, and I wish you a wonderful season. Check out the YOQI Video on Demand library. Every month I put up new videos, and every season we have a complete seasonal series. So it's worth checking out, and I've put a lot of work and effort into this, so I'm excited to share it. Thank you, and see you again. There's a... What is that? There's a gopher right there. It's driving me nuts.
Wait, it likes to get set up?